If your brush preview is not showing in Photoshop, don't worry. This is usually a very simple fix, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons it happens step by step, so you can get your brush cursor back to normal fast. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop fixes, beginner tips, and quick workflow tutorials. The first thing to check is the most common cause of all, caps lock. In Photoshop, caps lock changes your brush cursor from the normal brush preview into a precise crosshair. So if your brush ring disappeared and you only see a crosshair, simply press the caps lock key on your keyboard one time to turn it off. In many cases, that alone will bring your brush preview right back. If that does not fix it, the next thing to check is your cursor preferences. Sometimes these settings get changed accidentally, and Photoshop will keep showing the wrong cursor style. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Cursors. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings or Preferences, and then choose Cursors. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the Painting Cursor section. Here, you want to select either normal brush tip or full-size brush tip. If Precise is selected, Photoshop will only show a crosshair instead of the brush preview, so switch that to one of the normal brush options. While you are in that same area, also check the crosshair settings. Make sure the options are set the way you want, but most importantly, make sure Show Only Crosshair While Painting is unchecked. If that box is enabled, Photoshop may hide the normal preview and only show the crosshair while you paint. After changing the settings, click OK and test the brush again. Now, if you can see the brush outline but you are missing the dynamic preview, like the brush texture, bristle effect, or live shape preview, then the next step is to check your brush settings panel. Go to Window, then Brush Settings, or press F5 on your keyboard. In the Brush Settings panel, click the small 3-line menu in the top right corner. From that menu, look for Show Cursor Preview and make sure it is turned on. If it is off, Photoshop may not display the preview the way you expect. Another useful fix is to reset the brush tool itself. Sometimes the problem only happens with one brush or one tool preset, and the settings can get stuck. To reset it, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then look at the top options bar all the way to the left where you will see the brush icon. Right-click that icon and choose Reset Tool from the menu. This will restore the tool to its default settings without changing the rest of your workspace. If you are still having issues after that, it is also a good idea to try a different brush preset, because sometimes a custom brush can behave oddly. You can also restart Photoshop after making changes, especially if the cursor settings were not updating immediately. In some cases, a quick restart is all it takes for the preview to display correctly again. So to recap, first check caps lock, then check your cursor preferences, then make sure brush settings is showing the cursor preview, and finally reset the brush tool if needed. These 4 fixes solve most brush preview problems in Photoshop. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting guides, editing tips, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.